Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midin de adwoa search ene ne dey kanya wo dey ehwe me a mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so wo be notification ene sa ne news e dey betu bia wo benye bia tie anase wo benye bia hwe wo GCN page ha mami a okase fantini mami na ontega na hanom ote abrochiri but oyegane ni na ekonoba ni program a oye ena obi e phone lines too mami efre na mami efre ni nsema okan yina ne se wate se owura Peter Otokunor a oye deputy general secretary di ma NDC amayokuo no ne driver one owura Ofosu Ampofo ejahyehe a enne wo beti na KGT market ahye Kaneshi market ahye aha market ahye no owura Peter Otokunor ena afenso owura Ofosu Ampofo ena omo edise edwuma no na de nti amami efre ya odesa ensem no etu dwa no kire se eye na bufu yie papa because NDC fo ye nkrofu bi omo hadwen esan se omo ewo opposition na 2024 omo pese omo sanso eba back nti no adipi omo be ya ebetanishe eye his excellency na adodan kwa kufuado ena afenso NPP amayokuo no omo image no obe make sure so omo be yese na ebe ya enjuma pa na nado eye nyina Ghana fo be forget na ne na mami e kire se odwen ho kra otiase so a enyeye adenti na ndisi fo mo hadwen sa na adenti eye mami na bufu odisa ensem we na etu dwa no o kire se eye Peter Otokunor ena no oye press conference efa eye Ilevia nanado na NPP amayoku omo e kire se omo de ba na momo omo fa tax ento so na Ghana fo yentu ase na ebe ya sika beba oman mu na omo do etumi aye impuntu djuma no mo so etumi edibi create jobs ama Ghana youth no na yi levi hu nsem na be bebre wo Ghana hanom minority fo so omo empne so na omo approve se na ebe ya Ghana fo yebetu amomo na hu nsem abe bebre na no na eye Otokunor eye press conference o kire se wele kura nanado the tax ato so ensem hunku a na okeka ensem a sabio enhwe kwam ensem a huniti na no nko a na okeka na sensem ya eye Peter Otokunor ekeka no so no Ghana ni maami bia sabio no ote na kurase a onim ne ekoso wo internet no so onim ne mapa nanado eye no ote sensem na obeje edi na sa press conference ya muye ya mode tanish nanado ni imeji enyema papa bebre wo his excellency nanado dan kwa kufuado waye enam ya wakobi hospital fufura no kra amanfo ekomu wo ho a say ekro ne so no omo ebo nanado na ba so ni nyina na chini mu hui ekwan bebre nanado eyi hospitals nanado esisi se enyema pa nanado eye ne de omo hu yo omo yefu omo dwi ho mpese omo ba back to power enti no nsem hu kwa no omo edi na yenti ensema mame no ede etuya
Jimmy na no you akafa Lebanese ntina Ghana ya abrofin Lebanese fo enye na manche Lebanese fo bi mo ndi eyi wo Ghana ma idi inda kumaso no ndi ebufu sap na nhye bend be bia wo komntwema obil trade anya hye tutu kwane ya age one nationality me yetitimi nti e bend ya age one ayo na NDC fo no oguwan baby papa bia no kodo wo Ghana order wo sen hye na so nyasam no wa ba wole na lampo yi de yezi wole na lampo onya do wole be nutrient no wom there's no nutrient wole why the fat or part of the fat of the animal ewa no wa dry no wada ye de why de onko edban wole nya za ncho de edidi wo hia wada ye bags wada ye mpobwa wada ye ngwa wada ye nyeme pia wo exporter nche Ghana nche ebe yeska enso sinye pagana fu bibiala ye di adan Chinese fu bibiala wo bezi it's why with necessary political party Ghana manda wa akumanda ekeja amount stage chada one the NDC fu tem they go to the remotest of the grassroots and when was start because the monk of no what yeah or ye it can done chanasi or ye na time dia where the mad now whenever there is something important going on in Ghana. No one asked that was the press conference now boom. Na cheda. A junior kwaza all here no there. Ghana for what's another. Na Ghana my your money dear. president, he had the most the honored African president, first in Africa, third in the world. Samalamu Krome had what prime minister the mewa, and Jabesin them Puyanya Ashwa. That was what for one Ghana. Minjin the GB simple working. Shanda Yalasu Nanado Kaji Award. Minjin the new simple working on Fabiala. Now, for swinging on the better bloggers baka, media houses were bear Sete Jawari. The same thing Otokunor or Ojina Worry. Nancy Pelosi or Ghana. Nanado the time. On that time, they do Kobi. Also, share in the Safo or tribes to be Afroba for no apparent reason. Inside the manager that or many young when attention I could do. Now, I do here no show man in Yemen. I do not kodo. She does say, Alan, why started the one local court? Na peer bogum. Na Zoya may wind that Ghana Judicial Service and one will let us down. Judicial will let us down. Attorney General, sit up, put your feet down. Next we catch on coffee the way age man. Now me there, in the case there, me say what me news. What's the case in Wachela 8 weeks? They are going to Obama judgment. Now Ghana, how many years ago for sample for the man anymore? And when I watch a show marketing, Yan from him allegedly or Otokunor, why you're not the door busy, what you want to see. Okay, driver, okay, watch it, where can see him for. And what you catasume model, oh yeah. People what I politics. Share and the MPP waba only the Macan MPP a political party they love all inclusive government. Now so time be aware on June. MPP fido democracy. Okay, you when you mean I fan kan what you want to be pet. No one have send. Shall they say say parliament. Now in the normal sense in PPR na juni dawa onyim v. Obetuno akade mama no hiam metina as mama nti enya party nti nanso e hospital ma Ghana for ati e wan de NPP for one wa Ghana first party second now when NDC for the or your party first Ghana second look at it, look at the vast difference, look at the vast difference. And time I say judicial in one sit up since the case say what is it man won e be to kada witch hunting. And so one speeding up. Now the ben the first 4 years and we first year and we take the Wagana. Why is when you know who's up Nanalabaya because when you're behind how what say now advice as soon as you are Nanado. Oh, Mr. President, Mr. President, and then you were Nanado. And so determination and another bed advices were more crack down. Because once what why advices when Senate be ba na waka ya ankonam although say and say panyfo na so what it na do advice I na make move dia wonja no mo ye na na sense na or they make the move masramo wonja no mo ye na mo many be our judiciary because it should be so chokono or there was such a person who addressed as honorable. I mean, Mr. Market, the Ghana one honorable one judge or the Frebiala, Kwesi Mensa, Uncle Kwesi Mensa, Mr. Mensa. That's how you address them. I know from our friend John, I had the from. The only time you hear of honorable, only